G'day all. Here is my SE-03 steam engine plant, and I've got it connected up to my GF-01 miniature workshop that I did a video a few days ago of the construction. This came in a kit form and it was a lot of fun putting together. I have filled up the burner with gel, hand sanitizer gel. That's alight now, and as soon as that's up to boil, we'll get the steam engine running and we'll see how it runs the workshop for the first time. Okay, see you soon. Now, with the magic of video, that didn't take long to come to the boil now, did it? So turn the steam valve on. Just get through that steam lock. Come on. You're nearly there. You're nearly there, come on. And there's the SE-03 running the new GF-01 miniature workshop. What a lovely setup. In the comments on the build video, a few people asked me, will the drill wood? So I've got a piece of pine here. I've put some black texture on it so we can see clearly if it's going to drill. So let's have a go for fun and see if this is going to drill this piece of pine. I can see some wood chips happening there. I can hear the engine under a bit of load. And the spindle's turning. It's definitely going deep. That drill bit's going deeper. Okay. I definitely drilled that without a problem. How's that? Drilled that piece of pine without any problem whatsoever. Now that's darn cool.